A class starts at 11 a.m. and lasts till 2:27 p.m. 4 periods of equal duration are held during this interval. After every period, a rest of 5 minutes is given to the students. What is the exact duration of each period? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So let's just count the number of hours from 11 a.m. till 2:27 p.m. So 11 a.m. up to 2:27 p.m. So from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., we have 3 hours. So therefore, 3 hours and 27 minutes. So the total time is 3 hours and 27 minutes. Then we have 4 periods of equal duration. Okay, so let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 periods of equal duration are held during this interval. After every period, a rest of 5 minutes. So we have a rest of 5 minutes for each for every period. So we have total rest of 15 minutes. So that means we will subtract the 15 minutes to the total time of 3 hours and 27 minutes. So let's just convert this 3 hours and 27 minutes to minutes. So we have conversion of 1 hour that is equal to 60 minutes. So just multiply 3 times 60, that is equal to 180, and then plus the 27 minutes, so total minutes is equal to 207 minutes. So we're just going to subtract the total break, 5 minutes break to 207. So subtract 15. So this will be 7 minus 5, that will be 2. 20 minus 1, we have 19. So we have 192 minutes, and then we will divide this into 4 equal periods. So 192 divided by 4, 19 divided by 4, so that is equal to 4. 4 times 4, we have 16. Subtract, we have 3. Bring down to 32 divided by 4, we have 8. 8 times 4, that is equal to 32. So therefore, each period is equal to 48 minutes. The correct answer is letter A. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. So see you on my other math tutorial for civil service exam, college entrance test, LET, Gen Ed. Okay. So bye-bye and God bless.